Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a mood board using Freeform. It's like an iPhone app, like the notes app and stuff like that. Select the create button here. Here you can like draw or like write something down with like the pens. I'm just going to use this, and like you can write down or draw. Select done once you're done. You can also add in like a post-it note, which you can like double tap to enter text. Swift. I'm just going to type that because I don't know what to type. You can also change the font size, but you can't change the font. You have to actually like click it though to like make the text bigger, like that. Press done once you're done with that. You can add in shapes as well here. There's a lot you can choose from. Nature, food. I'm just going to add in this cute flower. You can resize it here, of course. And you can click on it to change the color of the yellow, I guess. Let's see. It's going to make it smaller and like place it here, I guess. I don't know. Okay, here. And then you can also add in like a text, which you can actually change the font. But again, you have to like select it, and then you can change the like font here. Let's see, maybe. Okay, there's not a lot of options, I must say. You can also change the font size here. And the color. And then you can also add in pictures. So select the image button, and you can either scan it, take a picture, add in a link, or go to photos or videos for it. And just select add and just like move the pictures around. I feel like there's a way to move it in front. There you go, like put it in the front so the image stays behind the text, but you can't really see that. I'm just going to send it to back here and place it here actually. But once you're done, you're just going to select the select the like button here, like the three dots. Then just select export as PDF. Then you're going to press save to files. And here is the final result. I think you can save it. Okay, you can't save it as an image, but you can like convert it later in your own time, I guess. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.